On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What's going on? Sorry, my mom's texting me right now. She wants me to pick her up on the weekend. And I'm just she knows what the answer is going to be. The answer is going to be, let me talk to the wife. What's going on, everybody? What an amazing dump. Oh my God. It just kept going, didn't it? I mean, holy smokes. Were you ready? I mean, Brewberry in our Discord was absolutely shorting the living bleep out of this thing. I was busy hitting 300-yard bombs, in case you were wondering. I was out at the driving range when all this happened, because there's priorities in life. Sometimes when the market is dumping and you don't want to be there. It's not that I don't want it to be there. I could have shorted, joined the happy, merry band of winners, but damn, that happened quickly. And damn, Daniel, that was a big old dumperelli, man. 7% in a blink of an eye. And guess what? We're filling up some CME gaps and all that stuff. And everybody's portfolio looks like complete dog poo. And the orange man said there'll be a bit of pain, just a bit, for the gains. We'll see what goes on. Good morning, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here. My God. My God. I revenge traded 30% of my account yesterday. Oh, man. Well, you probably were listening to Brewberry. My God, this guy. I mean, if you're not in our Discord, oh, man, this guy absolutely slaughtered entering, shorting. Look at this. Short from up top here. Short from up top here. He got in at 85,800. My God, he crushed that one. Then he crushed this one. This Discord's on fire. Then he crushed this one. I may open a fresh position. Then he got into another one. I love this. Oh, I love this so much. I love seeing. Oh my God, just absolutely destroying it. Destroying it. Focus. There is still opportunity. Look, he's telling you to focus, okay? My God. Oh, what a night. It's kind of interesting. Like, I think this could potentially start to be the bottom. You know, they're going to rug you while you're sleeping. Asia, whatever. And, I mean, the bottom as in it's coming. But, you know, we still have we might as well fill the CME gap. That's where I'm at right now. Like, we got a big old CME gap here. We've tapped into it. We might as well fill it. It's like you just got to ring the doorbell now. You've driven all the way down almost 30%. You took the express for the last 20%. You jumped onto the car and then you flew down to here, okay? For those who are in pain, it's okay. I mean, you probably bought the top, and what can you say? You can swear. I will swear with you. Beep. Okay, so you'll be all right. But anyways, trading must be separate from our HODL portfolios. That's what we preach here. That's why I'm in a great mood. Look, we're pumping, baby. We got some key resistance that we're coming into right now. 3 drives. We'll see how this plays out, baby. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with me. We're here, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Much love to all of you. Thank you. Lorelei above here. There's a comment above here that says, I wish you all... What does it say? I can see it on the Streamlabs version. It says, good morning, everyone. Sending you all love and light to get through this scary time. Thank you, Lorelei. Absolute gem. She is part of the gang. Don't mess with Lorelei. You'll have some issues because Tony Soprano's in here. What's going on, Tony? Good to see you. Captain Crypto Caveman. What's going on? French Toaster, the bravest roller skating toaster of all time. Jeffrey Stone Cipher. Today is the last day. Let me get serious here. I will not, and I repeat, I will not be taking any more otter picture submissions after today. Do we understand each other? It's been 3 weeks. Thank you. Okay, back to the show. That was a threat. Sorry. Alexandra G, drive safely. Thank you for being here. Dusty Hunt, what's going on, man? Paul Caruso, gang. Let's start bottom fishing. We're bottom fishing all day. We got the corn and everything, man. Good morning, Chantel. Good to see you. Darren does things. Dragonfly London. What's going on, man? Dusty Hunt, forget about it. Roaming Brave Mo 2, the power. 75K incoming. Yeah, I would expect us to go and get that CME. We'll see. Nice push off the 50. I mean, these guys with their 50s and their 200s and their 100s, you guys got to hit me up in the Discord and tell me your secret magical moving averages or SMAs or EMAs or MDMAs. I don't know what you're using, but it seems to be working for you, so keep it up. Good job. Is otter good in ramen? Let's go. Kind of like squirrel, says Buck. What's going on, Buck? Good to see you. Jesse, good luck. Good to see you too, Mike McCarthy. Good morning to you. Good morning, Walsh, Jesse, Wolf, and Bear. Good to see you guys. JR, what's going on, man? Good to see you, man. BC Port Corp. I think we break 100K today. Dusty, you on one today this morning. You on one. I like it. I like the comedic relief. It's Friday, baby. It's Friday. Happy Friday to everybody. Hopefully you're having a good time. I mean, you cannot not have a great time, especially when fear and greed is at like, what is it at? 2? 10, 16. Fear and greed's at 16. Wild. Very wild. This is very much like the C19 crash, I think. You know? What's going on, man? Good to see you. Lasers, JRBC, good morning to you. Ernie, good to see you, man. Hopefully you're doing well. Joe Ruiz, good morning. Mike McCarthy, our pink J Violet. How's it going, J Violet? Like 25 is J Violet. Okay, little push here. This is a... Okay. I'm starting to... I got a Bollinger Band, a quantum Bollinger Band that I'm incorporating into my strategy of late because it's so scam wickety. You can see here. Oof. Okay. Resistance. We're coming into resistance. This is a shorting area. We could be looking here. Oh, man. This thing is volatile. Retest a VWAP. Retest a VWAP. It's pushing, man. The volume is real right now. I love volume. Volume is your friend. We're coming into that resistance. Oof. Order block in here. Previous high in here. So sweep of these highs in here. What we're looking for. We'll see if we get it. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking up those likes. Let's see if we get that short opportunity right now. A little bit overextended here for the Bitcoin price. Trying to push back up. We would expect to push up into this 83,000 zone. But let's be real. Any kind of push. We were talking about this yesterday. I was doing a live stream for banter, and I was like, you've got to be careful with the longs here, man. And I got long like right here last night, and I closed it like here, and then whee! Oh, wow. Little rejection here. Coming back to revisit the highs. Is this really 1% move? Wow. So this is super volatile. Okay. Conditions, my friends, conditions. We might have to go half a position size today. Let's be very aware of that. Let's be aware of that because it's not going to be easy. They never want it to be easy for us beautiful, utterly marsupials, okay? But that lines up pretty nicely here. So we have a nice area in here. We'll keep that as an idea. Okay. But wild time to be in crypto. And if you're still here, you got the cojones. You got the balls of steel, okay? So good job. If you want to, like they say, if you want to get the riches, you got to go through the pain, right? And there's definitely some pain right now around there. So good to see you, everybody. Thank you for sticking around. Lucas, good to see you. Swagasaurus Lex. Let's get it. Let's always get it. Let's go. Dog Cooper, what's going on, Dog? Dog Cooper's probably in at 78,251. That's his entry. That's my guess. Dog Cooper has been sniping bottoms lately. He's a booty snatcher. Watch out. Darren doing things. Good to see you, my man. Hopefully you're having a wonderful week there in the UK. It's nice and sunny, and it's clear skies and brilliant. Lots of biscuits, jammy dodges. Hopefully you're having a good week, man. Andrew Cameron, good to see you. BC still in the short. I think there's more pain today. Yeah, absolutely. I'm in the club pain too. I'm in club pain as well. I think we have that CME. The CME is right there. It's like you might as well go to finish the job, right? Don't leave no man behind kind of deal. We didn't think we'd get here, but we're here. We're here. I guess we should have taken the short there, friends. Holy smokes. No, it's not even. Holy smokes, it's only moved 0.5%, right? Wild time to be in the crypto world. It's a wild time to be with you guys as well. 70 for sure, says KKK. Okay. So many beautiful people in here. Let's scroll up here. Let's say good morning, BC Port Corp. Alio. F investing, let's trade. Yeah, that's the one, man. That's the one. You got to keep it separated. Goldie Crypto, what's going on? Good morning from Wrecked City. Shredder, good to see you as well. Okay, that was the short right there. Nah, I think we retest the highs here. Retest the highs. We'll see if we pop back up. I would like to see this high mitigated, okay? So you could be looking long here and then short. Something like that. That would be ideal. I don't necessarily feel like we should be longing this. But feelings are fake, okay? Feelings aren't real. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Your feelings matter. It's Friday. It's Friday. I have to show you guys that I can hit a golf ball 300 yards, okay? This is a little problem of my ego because I wasn't really able to do it until this year. I was hitting like 250-yard drives, okay? I had to show you, bro. But AlexOCrypto, have hit it 296 carry, 311-yard drive.
Vince,
I just had
carry.
to have I had to have a moment because I've worked really hard on my golf swing. Okay? I absolutely bombed it. Okay? Thank you guys for letting me do that. I know it's a little bit of an ego thing, but I've worked really hard on trying to hit the ball far. I'm 5'4". You can imagine. My club is taller than me. Oh man. Okay, the head of the driver is bigger than my head. Like I'm so zoomed in right now. Like my camera's on max zoom. Okay, I'll stop with the stupid jokes. I'm in a great mood today. I hope you guys are too. Crypto trader Chris Madden, good to see you. JR, good to see you. KK, Attila, good to see you. Randy, good morning. Master, good morning. David Brumbelow, Jesse Galluck, Master, good morning. Gang, VW John, let's go. Let's go. I think we break 200K today. Let's go. Daniel, 1994. Let's get it. Let's get a good trade today. Well, we should have taken that short, but that's all right. That's all right. Judge, good to see you as well. Lasers, Chris Madden, amazing people in here. Amazing people. Lunchable, good to see you as well. Shan, Nick, how do you say that? Shani Thalinic? Shani Sanalik? Gains for life, good to see you as well. Isn't it mod trading day? It's always mod trading. Oh, it is the mod trading day, isn't it? I don't know what. It's the 28th. Okay, all gains today go to the mods. All super chats go to the mods. Sorry, shit, I forgot. I just swore. Oh, man. Today is mod trading day. Whatever we make here goes between the mods. Yeah. Every last day of the month goes to the mods. So let's send them some love. I mean, why not? I got to send them some love then. Do 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 do. Do, 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 do. I'll start it off with a bang. Let's go. Otters in the chat for the absolute incredible mod bags. Let's go. Tony's right. Today's the day for the mods. All proceeds go to the mods. Ask the mods. Last time I waited until we got the revenue. We divided the revenue up. We gave it all to the mods. We got everybody paid. So today is a mod day, and I'll start it off with a bang. And hopefully we can make some trades. Tony, why didn't you tell me to go full Monty short there? It's 5 degrees today. That's brilliant, man. It's minus 10 here or something. Wick 589. Let's go. David Brumbelow, bangers and eggs. Crypto Caveman, JR, Albino Rhino. What is going on? I think we're going to have to cut off Mark Dutch. He hasn't been here all month. he's cut for this month. Tony Soprano, lasers, crypto, Nick, tick. What's going on, man? Good to see you as well. Darren, I'm so max short right now from 98,000 and 102K. Let's go. That's awesome, man. DDT is short AF. Not as short as me, but short AF. Vit Bell, good to see you. Heath, retail is shifting short so that they will probably pump to 87 and squeeze them. Yeah, most likely. Alex, good to see you. R Pink, Darren does things. That's actually quite amazing. Giving me the length of view. What does it say? Length of your arms. Buck is. Yeah, I mean, I can't. My arms. I can't even grab the top shelf stuff, man. The simulator adds 50 yards. Oh, snap. That is cruel. Just 130 less than Tiger. Tiger does not hit 430-yard bombs. No way. Not even Bryson hits it that far. Wild Berries, good morning. Joker, good morning. Good to see you. R Pink. Get out and get paid. That's the one, man. Get out and get paid. Looks like we're getting some mod chats here. I need like a banner. All super chats / memberships go to mods. I can't even spell this morning. I need to make it bright neon green here. Okay. Looking for a double top in here. Nice push up. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Good to see you, Wretched, Infinite Team, TA, French Toaster. Good to see you. The mods keep this place safe. Let's go. Okay, it's so important, and we get to spot all the lurkers today. Congratulations to all the people getting memberships. We got Cam S, Elias, I do lurker. Oh man, look at all these people who are actually here all the time. Good to see you guys, lasers. BW John, if you are new here, please subscribe, smash that like button. We'd love to have you here in the gang. Cannon Gad, lurker. Space Lucy, lurker. Let's go. Oh man. Good to see you guys all here. The Dusty Hunt, Freebies, Christopher, Crypto Mo 7 Doink. Good to see you as well. Shark Vin, good morning to you, man. Hopefully you're doing well. I added your otter. This is the last day for otter entries, okay? If you are entering your otter. Okay. It has to be sent in the specific channel so that your otter can be entered. Hype for mods. Let's go. Good morning. A little bit of stall out here. Everybody's licking their wounds this morning. I would like to see a double top at the highs here. We'll see if we get it. Dan Ofertu. Isn't the last day of the month tomorrow? Today is the 28th, my friend. Leap year. Thank you for being a member. Jeffrey Stone Cipher with 5 gifted memberships. Jay Violet with 5 gifted memberships. Let's go to all the mods. Thank you, mods, for being here and supporting the channel. It looks like it's all going to Tony Soprano and Alexandra G. Dusty on giving away the 5 memberships and the comedy this morning. Subhi is douche canoed. So be careful here. Jeanette, good morning. Good to see you as well. Do we have data coming out today? So with the data, because it is 8:25, we do have some data, which isn't, it might wreck everybody here. So we have the data coming out. Let's be careful here. Okay, so we do have our U.S. core PCE and the personal income and personal spending coming at us hot and ready, okay, off the press. So we'll see how these materialize as price does as well. That's why no trade. No trade, my friend. Yes, we do have data, whatever you want to call it. Mr. Gilmore can send them. That's the one. That's the one, man. Mods do great work. Thank you, Chris Marsden, for your $2 super chat and supporting the gang. The gang. Good morning, everybody. Active Atlas, Lee. Let's see some gangs in the chat. All those people who just got all those memberships. You got to put some gangs in the chat. I mean, you guys are incredible. And French Toaster for the mods. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Incredible fan funding here for the mods. All the proceeds go to the mods today. And then we will be trading for them today. So hopefully we can make an absolute banger of a trade for Mr. Tony Soprano and the rest of them. Gang. AlexOCrypto, Jesse could be a good mod. Right now, there is no room for mods. I think we have like 9 or something like that. 7 or 8 or 9. I mean, the pot gets very small when you continue to add mods, right? And all of my mods, I think the only mod that I haven't known for over a couple years is Alexandra G and Mark Dutch. Every other mod, I mean, I've been trading with them from day one. They could have the keys to the kingdom, man. That's just it. So there's no what's the jobs numbers? There's the jobs numbers are down. That's how I would like to put it. As we grow, we can add, but we reward loyalty in this place. Loyalty. Tony Soprano has been putting up with my ass for 3.5 years. I'm sorry, man. And he was the latest addition. So we go through a whole knighting ceremony. We give them a whole vetting, and then we torture them for a couple months to make sure that they can handle it. So if you do have any questions and you do want to join the mattress, let's go. Darren does things knows, right? DDT's been around forever. He's seen me get hit by mattresses, get my wife up on the balcony holding the internet connection. Oh, good times, man. Gotta start somewhere, right? Just get started. Yesterday was better, okay? DDT, recommend your channel. Absolutely. Go and check out Darren Does Things. He's starting his channel too. That's awesome, man. I love seeing people take the leap. It's not easy. And nobody really gave me any handouts when I started my channel. There was no influencer or YouTuber. Okay, I came kind of from Frank's Discord, but it wasn't like he was sending people to subscribe to AlexOCrypto. I wasn't getting sent anybody. And I'm not that guy. I'm going to send if I know that they're a quality person and they're not a douche canoe, I'll send you there. Okay? But nobody was helping me when I started. And that's okay. We can change things in here. We can change things, right? We got Darren doing things, but this isn't his channel, my friends. Darren, share your channel because this is you doing some DIY, playing with your little foam brush here. I mean, you do have a different channel. So make sure you guys check out Darren's actual channel. I'm sure he'll share it over here. We got the news coming out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's in the game. Let's see what happens here. Here comes all the fake numbers. Boof. 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 All right. Bitcoin is core PCE. Here we go. It's pumping. Core PCEs at consensus, below forecasts. Personal income is up 0.9%. Okay? Personal spending down negative 2%. Okay, so I'm not your fundamentals guy. You go over to Army Piper after the show, you watch this guy, he'll explain all these numbers for you. I'm not that guy. I'm the guy who presses buy and sell successfully, and I try to help you with that, okay? Besides that, you're on your own. All right? You're on your own. So, does anybody know what this means? Because one thing's up, one thing's down. I guess we want the income to go up, which is good. So the income's going up. Not matching inflation, but it is going up. Okay, so that's good. This spending thing, not so good. This is not good. Look, spending going up. Now spending dropping like a mofo. Okay? That's not good. That's not good. Gains for Life says, I found Alex while watching Casper. That was my lucky day. Gains for Life, God bless you, man. Thank you for being here. Gains for Life wrote one of the nicest testimonials I've ever had. In the gang, Otter gang. The best, cheapest, most alpha Discord in all of crypto. I mean, our whole Discord was short in it yesterday. But you know, sometimes people take the time, some of our utterly fantastic members take the time to go through and write a very, very nice, look at the P&L change, okay, since joining the gang. Okay, amazing. So much kind words here from Gains for Life. So many great testimonials, but the most recent one, Gains for Life. So if you have had a good experience here, I would appreciate a testimonial from you, one of you Otter Gang members. $1 a day keeps the doctor away, and if you can't make $30 a month in our Discord, I have failed you as a teacher, as a friend. We don't hold anything back, okay? We always want to teach you everything I know. I will show you everything Brewberry knows, everything Kyle knows. We will help you. Always. Good resources, good people, kind people, no bullshit. Ooh, I almost swore. I didn't. Okay. Sweep of the highs here. Let in the news bake a bit. Okay, let in the news bake a bit. That's for damn sure. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. You guys are pretty cool, man. I do appreciate you guys being here, hanging out, all that good stuff. I mean, I would be doing this by my damn self, so. Okay, I can set a goal here. All super chats go to the mods. Do. I can set a goal. I've never done one of these goal things before. You kicking goals? I set a goal for the mods. Okay. There we go. Okay, little bounce around in here. No trade yet. Some good volume on this candle, but got to keep paying my mods. Okay. You changed things, Papa Otter. Thank you for being here, IKO. IKO just won a membership to the Discord. A 3-month membership. I don't know. I put it in my phone. Happy to have you. The division. The 4 and the 3 look so bad on Market Cipher. Yeah, we'll do a top down now. We might as well. Okay. My head was in the way. I know it's a big hobbit head. I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean to. Here, I can move my head over here. Do you want me to shrink? I can shrink. And go in my corner. Timeout. Pushing up into the high here. I don't want to do top down yet. If we mitigate this high and drop, I'm taking the short. Come on, Bitcoin. Show me what you're working with. Highs being taken right now. We see a clear rejection. We're getting in. Trying to push here. Okay, here's the push. Mitigation of that high, right? No trade yet. Continuation so far, standard deviation 1. This could still be off news, right? Still waiting. Still waiting. Got to reject. Bearish divergence in here. Still waiting. Still pushing. No stopping this train yet. Still pushing. We do have a little resistance above us here. I'd like to see it get rejected here, though. If we just keep pushing, I don't know if I'll take this. Stalling out at the top here. Okay, little rejection. I'm going to get in here. I'm going to be cheap here. Stop loss above the high. Come on, Bitcoin, die. Down you go. Down you go. Dump it, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Do it for the mods. Do it for the mods, baby. Let's go. Come on. Do it for the mods. Tony, are we keeping it open or are we closing it? Tony, up 100, up 200. Tony, what are we doing here? You got to make the decision. Up 200. Are we holding it? Up 300. Are we holding it? 400. Stop loss to entry. Tony, you got to let us know here. Let it roll. He says let it roll. Uh-oh. You know, if we go negative here, Tony, we're going to have to take it off. Let it roll, he says. Tony's saying let it roll. Uh-oh, Tony, it's coming back at us here. Could have taken 200 off the table there. He's saying let it roll. Tony's saying let it roll. I don't know about this, Tony. Pushing again. Now we're in the negative, bro. Tony. Lunchable with the $20 super chat for the mods. Maybe Lunchable's trying to make it up for you, buddy. Tony, we're in trouble here. Uh-oh, coming to stop us out. Tony, I got a little wiggle room here, but not much. Stop loss at 81.9 and change. 81.9 and change. Somewhere up here. Dump it. Tony, tell it to go. Go down. Go down for Tony Soprano. And the mods. Dump it. Dump it, baby. Climbing. This does not look good. This does not look good. Reckon the Bulls. Reckon the Bears. Apples and pears, baby. Apples and pears. Pumping off some news here. I could give you a bit more wiggle room, Tony. Do you want some more wiggle room? Be like a $600 loss max, okay? We'll go $600 loss, okay? That's the most wiggle room I'm going to give you. 81,993. Got to dump here, baby. Let's go. Do it for the mods. Dump it. Do it for the mods. We're holding it for Tony. Now I owe $600. Come on, dump it. Dump it for Tony. Red dot, green dot. Red dot, green dot. So I front run the camera. We're holding it, Tony. I'm risking 600 for your butt. Up 120. Do you want to take it? Up 150. Do you want to take it? Stop loss to entry? Tony. This looks like a bull flag, Tony. Take half at 200. If we get there, Tony. Okay, take half. So take 50, taking $100 off at 200. Okay. Everybody, today all trading goes to the mods. We don't want to go negative on the mods today. Otherwise, the mods have nothing. Let's remember that. We're in the short right now. You can go stop loss to entry whenever you want, Tony. You got to be quick with the typing, though, man. You got to tell me. We're in the short for Tony Soprano and the mods. I hope it goes to 0, man. I love my mods. Go to 0, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Go to 0. Yeah, baby. Go on. Okay, there's the 2. Okay, it's dumping, Tony. Tony, it's dumping. Is it hitting 200? Okay, we have 100 realized right now. Stop loss to entry, Tony. Stop loss to entry or no? Oh, Tony, it's getting juicy, buddy. Look at this. We've taken $100 out of the market. $100 so far. We're here. Tony, the mods are either going to hate you or love you, bro. Patience. Add to the trade, says Dave. Let's go. Let's go. Holding. No stop loss to entry. We're up another $125. 105. $100. You can take 200 off the table here, Tony. 150. Our next TP is going to be the 100% TP, Tony. Sheesh. I don't know about this, Tony. It's pushing. This is flagging out. You're making me nervous. We're going to push here. Tony. I'm closing it, Tony. I'm not losing you money. $100 up for the mods, okay? $100 up for the mods. We can take another trade. I'm closing it. I closed it. I didn't like it. At the end of the day, it's my job to protect my mods as well. Okay, there's a $96. I'll give you the extra $3.25. So $100 for the mods so far. Was it a good close or was it not? Look at that. Tony. That was for you. And the mods, but mostly for Tony, okay? I think we did a good job here closing that trade. Let's wait. There's more trades to have. Congratulations to Tony Soprano for walking us through the trade. God bless you, bro. All right, I took it. I took it off, man. I couldn't watch you lose money. All right. Good job. Congratulations to Tony Soprano for walking us through that trade. I closed it out. We are no longer in a trade. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Today is the all super chats. Go to the mods day. Always a fun day. Thank you for reminding me, Tony. Tony's in charge here. I would say it was a good close, Tony. I would say it was a good close. So I saved your bacon. Right? That green line's the break even. You be down now. Not saying it's gonna pop, but I'm saying we want to secure the bag, man. There's one thing I'm good at is making sure we take profits and securing the bag. Don't give the money back. Okay, that's not our job. We're not a charity. Lunchable connoisseur with the $20 super chat supporting the mods. Beers for some weekend crispy, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Creighton, see what's going on. Good to see you as well. Watch it dump now. Could possibly dump. But it's stalling out a little bit too much for my liking here. Dave Digital. All right, we'll see if it does push here. Add to the trade. I don't think that was the right idea. I think we're going to go. We're all right. We're all right here. It's going to hit 81K. Good morning to Army Piper. What's going on, man? Joel, Joff, good morning to you. Wild Berries. Wick 589. Market sleeps like baby owl. Face down. Head to weighty. So this month's end, lay down a towel. Lots of bird poop. BTC at 80. Let's go. Wick 589. Dropping the mercenary rhymes. Incredible. Just like you. God bless you, Wick. We love the Wicks here. Shout out to 589. Damn fine. Boom shaka to me one more time. Bitcoin didn't get low. Get low. Love for the mods. That's the one. Thank you so much, Army Piper. Yeah, at the end of this, it takes like 2 days. It's kind of weird. So like Sunday, for like the YouTube algorithm to calculate the super chats, and then we divide it amongst the mods. And we give all the mods some USDT, okay? And we're up $100 today already. So we trade for them. And then did I do a good trade last time? I think I was up like $300 or something, Tony. Remind me, I don't know. Very good close. See, protecting my mods as well. Very good close. Okay, so let's do a little top down as this thing pumps into Tony's resistance level. Okay, so what do we got here? We got a big old dumperelli here in the morning with AlexOCrypto taking trades for the mods today. We got a little bit of a recovery down in here, bullish divergence, trying to push back up. If we go from swing high to swing low, we can see that we are looking for this Fibonacci level. We also have a critical high up in here, okay, that we are interested in. So generally speaking, we are looking for a continuation down. Okay, we have not filled up our CME gap. So a little bit of patience will prevail here. We are looking for this thing to continue down. Okay, this has been very bearish. We expect a negative opening from our SPX, our SPY, and our NASDAQery. Okay, our NASDAQery has not been performing too well. People just getting right hammered. Okay, well, we've been very good with our swear jar. Do we want to add the swear jar to the mods, or do we want to continue the swear jar and do a giveaway? I think the swear jar will be for the people. Okay, we'll do a swear jar giveaway. Maybe we'll give it away when we hit, hopefully one day when we hit 10,000 subs. We are at 8,000 and something. We're growers and showers. We're at 8,575. So maybe, yeah, I think 10,000 is attainable if we continue to show up. I might just quit tomorrow, but we'll continue to show up for you guys because we're here for Tony Soprano, really. We got 380 people here, 115 likes. So thank you guys for liking up the video. I do appreciate that. Tony, it's going to dump now, bro. Look at this. This is going to dump. Is it? You know, we didn't want to wait through that, man. Are we still going to take the short? Yeah. going top down, taking the top down analysis, just kind of seeing what we got here. What we really do have here is an absolute massive dump, 7% coming down, filling up that CME gap. It's a good thing I keep my levels all the way through the whole damn chart. Okay, I got levels all the way down, which is important. Make sure you guys are always doing your full TA on the entire Bitcoin price because it's in the game. We're always prepared to show you guys what we're looking for and the key levels that we are looking at. Okay, that's critical. Make sure you always have a good charted chart. Okay, a charted chart. So if we're looking here, we can go swing low to swing high, maybe from here where we had our 382 bounce. Where are we in relation to that 618? Oh man, we're not far. We're not far. So we could be looking easily at 72,500. Do we have a key level there? Let me double check. Oof. Okay, so I'm going to put this one here. I'm going to make this a big old pink box, okay? It's always important to be prepared. But this is our big, now that we have our high, we have a big old pink box here. This would be our golden pocket ratio. Doesn't mean we can't come lower, but that would be our special area. And we have some areas along here as well. And it is dumping for Tony Soprano right now. Remember, we got short right here. But we did put stop loss above the high. I don't know if we would have gotten hit here, but we'll see how it goes, Tony. Can't win them all, buddy. But we did get $100 out of the market. We squeezed it. Out, okay? When looking at market cipher, we are extremely oversold, my friends. So let's be cautious here. Yes, we could look for a bounce, but that's not probabilistically. Any bounce has been met with absolute terror, okay, to the downside. Orange Man just continues to poop on our parade, okay? It took a lot of effort there not to swear. We do have a really deformed Jesus take the wheel here, trying to push back up. Okay, typically you get a retracement, then a continuation down, right? You're looking for the trigger wave to dump on us. Okay, so yes, we have multiple bullish divergence, 3 drives to be exact, to where we're trying to get up and going, but we're not going. Okay, we just keep rolling over. We'll see how the market opens today. We did have some news data. It was pretty much a nothing burger. We'll see how the S&P reacts this morning. But the 4, trying to push back, is not really doing a good job. The 3, trying to push back. The 2, yeah, look at the money flow. It's quite dismal. Look at this in here, right? Like just crawling down. Any sort of retracement in market cipher here is literally just short it. So whenever you get something like that, you're shorting it. Not looking too good here. This is so like when you're oscillating down here, even on like a 1 hour, this is just complete downtrend, right? Your opportunity resides in the whack-a-mole. The whack-a-mole here, right? That's your short. You get this here, that's your short. Okay. To be met with resistance, right? So any sort of resistance, you're retesting previous lows in here, resistance, you're retesting the low in here, resistance, okay? So I'm looking for a continuation down until proven otherwise, right? It's very important. I got all these trend lines. What are all these trend lines doing on my charts? Okay, so that's a low. That's still an important low. Gone, sorry. Oh man, we've dropped a lot, haven't we? Holy smokes, Batman. Okay. Cleaning up the charts. Always got to keep them fresh for you guys. Always got to keep them nice and purdy. Okay. Bitcoin's stalling out right now. Okay. And we go back to trading this beautiful corn. So the 1 hour trying to push back. Money's coming back in. Okay. You can see money on this beautiful uptrend right here, but failure to cross over, continuation down, right? So any sort of retracement is an opportunity for a short until the trend really changes on at least like, because there's been some hopium, like even yesterday when we look at this, right? That was a great long there. Well, this is all from teaching. There's been some hopium. Like yesterday we had this relief rally. Like I got long in here, took this thing up, but scalps, like easy money. Your shorts, I mean, we said to get short here yesterday on our live, right? That would have paid you guys very well in our Discord. I mean, Brewberry opened up a big short from here. You guys all had privy to that information. So, I mean, you would have made a lot of money if you just followed what Brewberry said. I mean, it's never financial advice, but I mean, it's been banging. It's been banging. So incredible. Ask Alex anything. Today's your last day to get me your otters. Okay, your last day. I'm not going to tell you again. Okay, I'm done editing this thing. Okay, but Brewberry, absolute legend, giving you guys the shorts, and more shorts. There was a short from yesterday. Okay, so incredible. You guys should be quite happy with that, and if not, we'll find more trades as per usual. Thank you everybody for being here. So we'll continue to try to find key areas in which we can look to trade. Scalp in the range here. Bitcoin stalling out a little bit, okay? This would have been a painful trade to be in. Big order block in here. I'm more interested in these highs up here, 82. So we revisit this area in here, this low right here. We'll see. Very good close, I think, Tony. I think this was a good close, even if it gets rejected from here, my man. All super chats go to the mods. So thank you, everybody, for being here. We're prepared traders, profitable traders, happy traders. My God, everybody's just absolutely spoiling the mods in the chat. Army Piper with the $20 super chat for the mods. Frank, Fit for Life, Crypto, good morning, and God bless the mods. Otter gang. Let's go. Good morning to everybody. Creighton C. Thank you so much, Creighton C, as well. Frank, Fit for Life, as well. You guys are blessing the mods. Every last day of the month, it caught me off guard today because it's the 28th. Every last day we trade for the mods. We're up $100, and all super chats go to the mods as well. And all the mods should be giving Tony Soprano an extra cut because he reminded me. Because he's got the cojones. He's like, let me make you an offer, AlexOCrypto. All right? You tell me I got to answer these idiots in the Discord asking me when should I buy the dip, and the dip keeps dipping. And I don't have the answers for them, but I answer them, and then I kick out all the scammers. Okay? Remember the deal we made. Okay? So the deal we made is if you have any questions, go over here into Otter Talk in the Discord and really press at Tony Soprano and say, hey, man, can you show me your trend line? Everybody ask Tony to show him. Ask for Tony's trend line. He'll send you a private picture in the DMs. I'll show you my trend line if you show me yours. Oh, this would have been a painful trade to be in, eh, Tony? My God. Thank you, everybody, for the mods. Supporting them all. God bless you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. So we've taken one little dismal short, but we made $100, and hopefully we can make some more for those mods every single day we try. It's a saggy boob pattern. Let's go, Bass Crouton. Let's go. Randy Hipper in the chat. What's going on, Randy? Good to see you. God bless you. Make sure you guys go over and follow Randy Hipper. Always bringing the alpha, the omega, the superstardom. Incredible YouTuber. I don't know what you call it. I don't like being called a YouTuber or an influencer. I just go on a camera and press buy and sell and hang out with you guys. Good morning, Andy Lee Lasers. Good morning to you. Good to see you as well. Are we lagging out here? Oh, man. I don't know why this keeps happening. Not enough memory. What is this thing? This keeps happening. Maybe I have to... I don't know what's going on with that. A little bit weird. It keeps reoccurring. But I have tons of memory on my computer. So doesn't make any sense to me. I even went to the store when you guys told me to get more memory. Tony, what a good close we did there. Oh my God. Randy Hipper with the $5 super chat. Thank you so much, Randy, for supporting the channel, supporting the mods. At the end, once we have the information on the show, we take the money, we divide it up, we give them whatever I traded, and we give them all the money. So the mods we are nothing without our mods. We are nothing without our community. Very good job, everybody, closing that short. Okay, pushing up here. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel, supporting the mods, hanging out here, subscribing if you're new. 350 people in here. Incredible. Incredible. Randy, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Trade Intuition, good to see you, my friend. Go and check out Trade Intuition as well. He has a channel. The Discovery Channel. Oh, V-shaped recovery? Whew. Tony, why didn't we get long? You would have been rich by now. Lots of liquidity in here. Trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting. We'll see where we get to here. Getting above our Bollinger again. This is another short opportunity. Flipping our dynamic reactor, trying to push up. We're way above VWAP now. Look to take this back down into VWAP, but you don't want to fade this, really. You're going to get bear divs in here. You're going to get a little continuation push here, but no fading this right now. So far, so good. Bitcoin pushing to the moon. Looking for it to come for these highs in here, like this order block in here. Do you have a volume resistance up in here that we could look for? No confluence within here besides the order block. Okay, so only off of confirmation will we take a trade like this. Nice push for Bitcoin here. Getting a little bit of relief. A little bit of relief. I said to everybody in the Discord, the bottom could be in after this move. Put a 1 in the chat if you do think the bottom is in. Put a 2 in the chat if you don't think it's in and you think we're going lower. Let me know in the chat. We'd love to know. Lower or down. Otter mods must eat. Let's go, JD. Thank you for the super chat supporting the mods. God bless you. Lower, lower, lower. Everybody seems lower. Lower, 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 lower. Good morning, Shinko. Good morning to you. Look at this ripper to the upside. Bitcoin pushing. Off the news, we got a very, very bullish momentum to the upside right now. Well, we can look for this. This is always something to keep in mind. Your momentum. We don't trade based off of a trend line, okay? We're not those people. But we understand when momentum has slowed down, there's an opportunity to take advantage of it, okay? A reversal of a sort. Nice push here. Tony, why didn't we get long, buddy? I mean, this is clearly off of the news. This will be our key level up here. Back up to 82,000. You know, it's a lot easier to say like 82,000 rather than 100,432. Like it's such an mouth. I don't know, a word scramble. I don't know what's the word I'm looking for. It's a lot of words for a number. 100,000 yada 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 versus 82.3. I don't know. A mouth salad. I don't know what the word is. Everybody thinks it's going down. That's bullish, man. That's Jeanette thinks the bottom's in. I said the bottom could be in. What I've been looking at is volume, okay? Volume's going to tell me this story. And there is a lot of volume in this dump right now. 3 candles in a row, very much above the consolidation. So you can see this was our consolidation volume. Look at this. Last 3 candles. Absolute plethora of volume coming in here, sending price down to the depths, okay? So we'll see. I'm not here to call bottoms. I'm here to press buy and sell while using good risk management, supporting my mods, helping you guys navigate this crazy Bitcoin price action. It's not easy, but we're here. Oh man, we would have liked that short. We would have liked that short. Patience. Patience pays. Thank you everybody for the super chats, hanging out, supporting the mods. Where's my big mod? Got to keep it in frame, man. Continuing to push here, 5-minute time frame. Getting a little bit overextended on our momentum wave. Nothing to write home about. Money flows coming back up on our medium-term time frame there. Into a key level of resistance. We'll see how it behaves here. I would expect continuation up into the red box for now. No trade. No very, not. Why don't you chase something like this? Because you don't have your clear invalidation point is really far away. Like you'd have to put your stop in here. Okay, so you can look for retest continuation and long there. But you're very overextended, right? So when price gets overextended, you typically just want to wait for your opportunity, right? You have this consolidation. This is healthy, and then you have pop, right? So this is liquidity now. And typically they'll send it back down to grab liquidity. So trying to chase price isn't. Being on trend and chasing price are two different things, okay? This would be being on trend. This would be being on trend. This would be chasing price, buying tops, right? You're buying tops up in this. Yeah, it would have worked. Congratulations. But watch 8 times out of 10, you're not winning there, okay? So you want to be very cautious when trying to get on trend versus chasing price, because it can get you wrecked. You want to be as safe as possible, right? This is your money. It's no joke. It's never financial advice, but it's definitely something that you need to consider whenever you're entering a trade. You're putting on risk, and that risk is your hard-earned dollars, whether you like it or not. It's not this isn't a casino. You're not playing the slot machine. And if you're not putting the probabilities in your favor, you're going to end up wrecked. That's just fact. That's fact. I know because I've been there. Trying to push up here. 9:13, almost market open. I'm going to get some coffee and take a wee. Okay? It is the fan funding day. Today is the fan funding day. Make sure you guys are supporting your mods to keep this place operating, because you guys are smooth operators. I'll be right back.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flow. blame for the lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
All right. Oh, my coffee. Slide into the DMs. All right. 300 people here. Thank you for being here, guys. All right, a little bit of a rejection off of our volume level. Retesting previous highs here, so looking for continuation out and up. Out and up. Let me know in the chat. Are you long? Are you short? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. I would love to know. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Melissa, what's going on? Good to see you, Melissa. God bless you. Melissa, a real OG, always here hanging out. Randy Hipper in the chat. God bless you as well. Trade Intuition, French Toaster. You guys are having a hard week, man. This was 45% last week. Now we're down to 37. So I guess you guys haven't gotten short biased. Oh. One long. No trade. Trade Star. Trade Intuition, I think she's talking to. Not touching this, says Judge. Paul Crusoe took out profits. I'm disappointed by the amount of likes. Yeah, I mean, we're at 140, Jesse. It's not bad. I mean, I always like to get 200 likes. That's kind of the goal. But if we don't get there, that's fine. That's fine. I mean, I'm not always the most likable. I don't really try to be likable. I just talk a lot of smack, really. I talk a lot of smack. You guys talk smack to me. You say I'm a hobbit and I don't know what I'm doing, and I take bad trades. That was the most recent one. Okay? I take bad trades. My feelings. I love it. Oh man. People are just upset with themselves, man. I think that's the thing. You know, you hide behind a keyboard. You wouldn't want to be slapped by my 5'4" midget ass, would you? So you're gonna hide behind your keyboard, talk a lot of smack, right? And that's fine. People can do that. We got our news data. We'll see how that goes. And that's okay, man. Some people just need a hug. I don't mind. I'll give you a slap and a hug if you want both. I don't mind. So a bunch of you are long. 3 of you are sitting on your hands. I like you guys sitting on your hands, hanging out. It's important to be patient in this game. I thank you, everybody, for being here. Check the 4-hour RSI. Only for you, Creighton, because you've been around from day one. PSI. RSI, I said, man. RSI. Oh, my God. I don't think I've looked at. We got bullish divergence. We got a higher high. It's dying. I mean, with RSI, you've kind of Yeah. I look for this to be broken. Something like that. There's no strength. RSI is measuring strength. There is zero strength in this, even though that we have a divergence. This is not strength. So I like it, Creighton. Could work. Could work. I mean, it's all trying to push back, but we trend is going to be king in situations like this. So we'll see what we get. Rolling over quite nicely right now, actually. So let's see here. Still trying to trade for these mods, trying to keep them afloat. 1 minute. No mitigation of the low here. Let's see if we can close below this low here, and then we can pop back up, look for the short, okay? We come back in here, and we lose this low here. We look for the short here. Tony, what's your bias, man? Tony, long or short? Put a 1 for long, put a 2 for short, Tony. What are you feeling? That's the worst. That's the worst question to ask a trader. Which way do you feel it's gonna go, Tony? Tony, are we going up or down? 1 up, 2 down. I think we come back into VWAP. I just like the short from up here at 82.7 more than our volume level. Look at the volume level though, holding up quite incredibly. Trade intuition with the 20 gifted memberships. Thank you so much, Trade Intuition. Coming through. Coming through for the gang, gang, gang. Look at all the super chat. Oh my God. Guys, go follow Trade Intuition. I think he teaching you how to trade. I think that's his thing. Okay. Go and check out Trade Intuition. He's almost at 2,000 subscribers. That's incredible, man. That's incredible. How long have you been streaming for, Trade? Not long, man. That's really good. That's really good, man. Try and get his subs up. Go and check him out. Thank you so much, Trade Intuition. Supporting the channel. God bless you, bro. IDO, you mentioned news earlier. Yeah, so we had news come out at 8:30, which was core PCE, right? Personal income and personal spending. It was a mixed bag, okay? So you can see here at 8:30 we had some data come out, or data. That's what I am now. I'm a data Papa O, as Randy would say. Papa O. Thank you for the Papa O. But you can see here we had data come out, which is this one came in quite positive, okay? People spending money. But we also have, nothing burgers on the other ones, right? So we have -2 here, 9% here, almost 1% here. So it was a mixed bag. I always suggest you go over and listen to the Piper Academy. Army Piper will break this down for you quite clearly. I am not your guy for that. I'm just aware that when it happens, I need to get the heck out of Dodge, okay? So you can use that. Economic calendar. Tradeeconomics.com is what you would use for that. I can share it if you would like. Here you go. You can use the Forex Factory as well. It's more detailed. For me as a scalper, I just need to know when news is coming out. I don't want to get wrecked by some volatility, right? That's all. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Look at all these people in here getting the gifted memberships. Let's see if we got some lurkers. We got Jizz, lurker. We got Larry Guzman, lurker. Celinda, lurker. What's going on, lurker? It's good to see you. Cam, lurker. Baja, lurker. What's going on, Jacob B? Jacob, lurker. Mike McCarthy. Kevin Knitt, lurker. You guys never say good morning, man. Never say good morning. I'm going to call you a lurker until you say good morning. Xander Anchetta. It's like pancetta, but it doesn't taste as good. We like food here, Xander. Lurker. Goyens. Good to see you as well. King Andrew. Uh-oh. That's isn't he on that list that's coming out? King Andrew? Isn't there a list that's coming out for King? We better be careful. King Andrew's watching the show here. Ooh. Careful, man. Careful. No longer a lurker. Let's go. Al Wafa. Gang, gang, gang. Tony, what are we going? Long or short, bro? Long or short, Tony? I think we're going to go long here. Just waiting. We got 5 minutes till market opens. Papo, let's go. Randy Hipper. Randy Hipper's in the chat, man. Always crushing it, Randy. God bless you. Thank you for being a good human. Dieter, good morning. Young Fit, good morning. Dead Cat Bounce says cheap vlog. All right. All right, all right. Jeanette says good morning. We love you, Jeanette. Thank you for being here. Shark Vin, good to see you as well. Felipe Colin, just out. Interview on Fox. Cynthia Loomis confirms that BTC will become a reserve currency. Okay. I mean, cool. The price does not reflect that at all. So I'd rather just be patient. I love some bullish news. I think we need it, but I ain't here to have any bias. I think right now you buy the fear. If you're convinced there's going to be a bull run, which I am convinced, I do think it's going to take a lot longer. Okay, I'm thinking maybe you start getting QE in March, maybe April. So you're looking at July, August, September, October. If anything's gonna happen, so I think we could be very much in for some more pain. Broracle, what's going on? Good to see you. I'm just reading names, man. I'm new. I'm here, lurking. Good to see you, Shaitrowski. I love you. You're not a lurker. I've seen you before, my friend. Lurking this morning. Just woke up. Good to see you, CJ Nisk. Thank you for saying hello. Started my channel about a year ago. Started fresh. That's cool, man. I mean, I've been here for 3 years, man, talking a bunch of bullshit. You're doing great, man. Keep up the good work. I appreciate you, Randy, and your superstardom. Your superstardom. I'm in a good mood today. Just chill, everybody. I don't need. Did you talk to Michael Saylor? Did you tell him that the price is wrong? Oh my God, you're almost at 20K. Oh man, that's incredible. Randy Hipper, 20K subscribers on its way. Let's go. Let's go. Incredible. Man, we should have shorted that key resistance, man. Support and resistance is absolutely gangster sometimes. It's hard to trust a support and resistance level because it's just a line, right? But you can see like it. I like it because it gives me like targets, take profits, stuff like that. I do mine with volume and obviously market structure, but it's hard to take a trade blindly off of something like that. That's just my opinion. This wants to be recovered right here. Liquidity in the lows here. VWAP down below. I would look for this to break down right now, but we wait. Let's get off that 1 minute time frame. That's not healthy, okay? I see you guys all there on your 5-second time frames. Told you 82.4, then dump. You should have said long, Tony. You gotta yell. 82.4. We pretty much hit it. The magic trend line told me. Let's go, Tony. Tony, long or short, bro? You're representing the mods today, man. So got to be careful here, bro. You don't want to upset Sniper. He's not going to be able to buy any lures if you don't do well today. little ripper to the upside here. So liquidity in the lows here. I mean, even down below here, we have very unsustainable price action all the way through. Trying to pop off, retesting the highs. Trying to continue upwards here right now. Tony says 82 400, eh? So we didn't hit it. So should we just long it here? Or do we wait, Tony? To me, there's no trade right now. Overextended to the upside. If we get a double top in here, we can look to short. But not yet. Not yet. Market is open, baby. Let's go. How is this? Okay, opens up pretty flat on the S&P. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 307 people here. That's a great turnout considering how dead Bitcoin is. So thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel, hanging out with me. We have taken one little dismal short today, making $100 for our mods, and hopefully we can make a lot more. It looks like the NASDAQ is rolling over, trying to hold on to this level at 20,500, let's call it. So trying to hold that. The Dixie's pumping, okay? Just like the swear jars, I've been very good with the swearing this week. I think I added $10 to this, but that was out of sheer will. I did it on purpose. So I've been good with the swearing. We're allowed 2 swears a day. I have 1 swear word I've said today, once. Okay. So I can say shit right now, which I'm going to. So now if I swear again, I got to add money to that. This thing continues to roll over here. Coming for the liquidity. If we lose this low here, we look for the retest and continuation down, down, down. The S&P opened up pretty ugly this morning. Not looking good, not looking good. So we'll see how this continues to go. The NASDAQ sweeping the lows right now as we speak, coming down, 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 down. A little bit of a reflection of what happened on Bitcoin last night. So we'll see if it does want to continue back down here on Bitcoin. Coming down, mitigating this low, just to be patient here, just waiting. Trading is waiting. A little bit early on that short, eh, Tony? So we'll see. We'll see. Coming down to VWAP would be a target. We also have a buy level in here. And some order blocks throughout, right? Trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. We got 177 likes, 309 people in here. If we wouldn't mind just tickling that beautiful like button, that would be greatly appreciated. I do appreciate you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new. If you wanted to short this, you would have been part of our Discord. It's $1 a day. Okay, $1 a day, $30 a month. You can't go wrong. An amazing group of people. We were shorting it, longing it, trading it, trade setups all month. This month has been very good for our Discord. We've done really well. Some really good trades. Lots of winners, chicken dinners in our Discord. People just crushing it. Good community, learning how to trade. Otters everywhere. Trade updates, trade setups, trade ideas, alt ideas. Brewberry absolutely crushing it. Crushing it. Tony Soprano says enough already. All these notifications. We got TA. The shorts were pumping yesterday. An amazing group of traders. So, I mean, there's tons of value there. If you do want to take your trading further, would love for you to join our Discord. If not, that's fine. Come and hang out here. We trade live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10. Every morning, trying to help you guys navigate the market open in this crazy, crazy crypto world, baby. Let's go, let's go. Thank you so much for being here. All the proceeds today go to the mods. We do this at the end of the month, every month, to support the mods, give them some extra trading money or pocket change or whatever they need. I don't remember how much we gave you guys each last time, but I think it was almost $100 each, right? And there's about 7 or 8 of you. We had Darren Does Things give away his money, and we had Alexandra G give away her money as well, donated to the rest of the mods. So, I mean, shows you how much giver's game mentality runs through the Otter gang here. So it's pretty incredible. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel, supporting the mods, and supporting me. It's a good time to be alive, baby. Little rollover here. Obviously, S&P rolling over, NASDAQ rolling over. Everything is absolutely getting wrecked. So coming down, trying trying to hold this structure, right? Trying to hold the higher low here, broken structure here. Okay, so continuing to roll over. We're getting a little trigger wave here on our 3 minute. 24 peaking, rolling over quite aggressively here. 15 volume picking up after the news. Yeah, total rollover job here. Coming down, breaking down now. No trade. Little pop up here. We'll see if how high we come up here. 318 people here, 185 likes. Thank you guys. 15 more likes and I shut up about the likes. Giver's game, baby. Should I short Sol, says Daniel. I would not. I would trade Bitcoin in this situation. If you do want to take a swing short or something like that on an altcoin, lower that leverage, lower that margin. You know, it's going to be scam wickety. So be very careful. Retested previous lows. Okay. Trying to bounce here. NASDAQ bouncing as well. Nice little pushback here. No trade. Still waiting here. Little battle. That's all I can see right now. Thank you, everybody, for being here. The NASDAQ bouncing back into support. S&P trying to push back here. Market's a Red Sea, baby. Red Sea. We got everything kind of rolling over here. Not looking too good. We would like to go short up here in our red box, but we'll have to wait and see if we get there. Nice pushback here for Bitcoin. Continuation trade, that would be our 618 probably within here. Looking for that bounce. 618786. Yeah, there's our bounce within there. Nice little push. Trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting. We'll see. Then the market really developed this morning. We put on our orb if we want. You can see open range breakout. So your first 15 minutes, see how it behaves. You can see the red and the green dot here. We have our high and our low of the range, our first 15 minutes, and then you can trade based off that. I've been back testing it quite a bit. It's plausible. It's plausible. I like it because it's candle data, so it's very it's not really up for interpretation. It is what it is. It's not like an average price or a line on a chart. It's just the price action, which is very important. Price action is always going to be king. We use the tools around price action to kind of help us make better decisions, right? Yeah, coming up to this yellow line here, that would be our previous day close, I'm pretty sure. No, it's not. Our previous day low. Previous day low. That's it. Nice pushback here for Bitcoin. See if it does want to continue to push. Go on, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. Push it, baby. Higher low, continuation. Nice trigger wave in here on our 3 minute. Okay. We'll see how high this candle pushes. V-shaped recovery in here. Red box target, 82.7. 82.7, that's where we're looking. $100 for the day so far for the mods, trading wise, and a lot of super chats. So thank you guys for supporting the mods. Good morning, Little Fish. Good morning, Chad. Broracle, good to see you as well. Scalp long from 81.4. Nice job. Good job. Nice entry. Little beautiful hammer candle here to a little push. I just be cautious because we have taken this low here. I don't know if this is a higher low. I would say this is our low that we need to take. But nice little scalp there. Cheap vlog. Good job. Make sure you pay yourself. Fried chicken. People are talking about chicken now. All right. All right. You guys did it. It's Friday, baby. We got to do it. Give up one. You got to give it up. Okay. Got chicken. You got beef. Okay. You got fish. Oh, no, that's too easy. Chicken and beef. That's it. you guys are all gonna pick AlexOCrypto. I know. Salad. Give up salad. I won't be offended if you can't make a decision and you have to use me as your scapegoat. I don't mind. It's okay. I understand. That's like me. That's why I didn't put coffee on here. I did not put coffee on here because I know that's not a non-negotiable. If you are picking my name, you're really cheating, okay? You're really cheating. Let's face it. You don't know how to make a decision, therefore you shouldn't be trading. Gun to your head, chicken or beef, baby. If you pick me, you don't know how to make a decision. All right, push back here. S&P, indecisive. Rolling back over here on the U.S. on the NASDAQery. Be careful of that NASDAQery, okay? Trying to push here. Next 5-minute candle. I'd like to see a sweep of the highs here. Sweep of the highs and then a bearish divergence back down. That would be quite juicy. Sweep of the highs, bearish divergence. Give it to me, baby. All right. Nice little push here so far. This ain't no namby-pamby move. This is a 1.5% move. That's $900 right there. So nice push. Green dot printing. 82,670 looking there. $100 so far for the mods, plus all your super chats. Thank you guys for supporting the mods. Hanging out here. Long close, nice. Good job. Way to pay yourself. That's always important. Fan funding. Look at all these people supporting the mods today. Thank you, everybody, for all the super chats. Memberships. I gave away 40 memberships today. Jeffrey, J Violet, Dusty Hunt, LJ, Chris, French Toaster, Lunchable Connoisseur, Army Piper, Wick 589, Frank Fit for Life Crypto, Creighton C, Randy Hipper, twice for the Otter Gang mods. Thank you so much, Randy Hipper, JD, Trade Intuition, amazing. Thank you guys for supporting the mods. It means a lot to me and a lot to the mods. I know they do a lot for us, and I do appreciate every single one of you guys. Much love. Happy gang. B team in the chat. What's going on, man? Happy Friday. B team, we've already made you guys. B team, you're on the spot now. Long or short? B team. We've been picking on Tony the whole stream. Long or short, B team. You gotta tell the gang which way. Can you make? We got 15 minutes left. Can we make the gang some money? It's for the mods, baby. Don't want to lose your $100, but we don't want to just get away. We want more than $100. Let's be real. We got 200 likes. Thank you, everybody, for liking up the channel. That's amazing. God bless you guys. We got double top coming in here at our volume level. Woo-wee. Aggressive push up here. Double top. 3-minute. 3-minute in here. Trying to push. What does B team say? B team says, hopefully long, but trend's our friend. Trade the trend. Hey, Tony. So we're going long? We're going to buy the top? Jeez. Al Jr., much love to this gang. Amazing mods. Thank you, Junior, for supporting the mods. God bless you, bro. Gave up all meat, eating raw veggies for the next 6 weeks. Big Papa. Sorry to hear that, bro. Sorry to hear that, man. Can't give up the Otter gang, though. I appreciate you, man. Oh, man, you guys be picking on me today. That's fine, man. I can handle it. It's Friday, baby. It's Friday. B team says trade with the trend. I don't know about that, man. I'm gonna fade this thing. I'm looking for a snap up to the high here. And then down. Bearish divergence. Down. That's where I'm looking. All the way back down here. Yeah, continuation here. Sweep of the low. Continuation push up V-shaped recovery into our resistance box here. Previous low. Previous day low. We'll see what we get here. Bearish divergence is in. Do we get a rejection? That's the question. You always got to watch price action. You can't just trade all willy-nilly. Oh, we're up at the high. We've mitigated the high. Now I press short, right? No, it's you gotta be watching the price action and making a decision based on the behavior of the candle. Okay, that's going to be king. You got to get good at reading the chart. The chart will tell you everything. It is a storyline. Okay, you guys know it just as well as I do. It's trying here. It's trying to hold. I would expect this minimum 82.7. But we could just mitigate here and drop, which is fine. Confluence, NASDAQ. NASDAQ continues to push. S&P pushed a little bit as well. NASDAQ back range bound. Didn't come for where I wanted it to go. I would like lower now. No trade yet. Little rejection. Can it go further? Can it go further? Dump it, Bitcoin. Dump it. I would have liked here. I like here better. No trade yet. Just waiting. Come on, baby. Right here. No trade yet. Just waiting. Waiting is the name of the game. Very volatile price action, my friends. You got to be careful here. You don't want to get caught with your pants down. Another little rejection here. Trying to push down. Come on, Bitcoin. Push down. You give us the sign. We'll take the short. Just tell me. Which way are you going to go? Up or down? Up or down? Put a 1 in the chat if you think we should short. Put a 2 in the chat if you think long is the answer. The NASDAQ flat. Bitcoin flat. S&P trying to push back here after a big rejection. Getting a little overextended. I expect this high to be taken on this previous day low in here. But you don't always get what you want. Let's be real. We got bearish divergence in here as well. If we do get a rejection down, we could be looking for much lower. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. It is 10 to 10. Can we get the rejection? Can we make the mods some more money? What do you guys think? Are we longing or are we shorting here? You guys got to let me know. All you chicken lovers, you're giving up the chicken over beef. Jeez. Dump it, Bitcoin. Stalling out here. Stalling out. Are we flagging out again, Tony? Still waiting. Still waiting. I want to see higher. Come on, baby. See, you get to a key level just in front of it, you don't trade. Ugh, this is nasty. This is either going to roll hard or you're going to just stay here and then pop up, okay? This is just nasty. Stay here or pop up. No trade here. Whoever voted for me, 30% of you, you guys can leave. You guys can leave. Nah, man. I don't like it. I don't like it, and it's going to roll over. It's really going to deny me of my 82,700 level. Piper said there's a level in there. What level did Piper say? Piper said 83,407. Okay. It's a bit higher than I'm looking. But hey ho. It's part of my box. 83. Yeah, I go all the way up to almost 84,000 here in my box. So, Tony, why didn't we short it, bro? That's trippy, eh? That is playing on our emotions. That's what this is doing. 324 people in here. Did anybody get short? Let me know in the chat. The floor is in, says New England Bass Trackers. My $1 at 400x. Let's go, Sharkfin. No, I'm scared. Okay. Yeah, we wait. I was born short too, Lunchable. No worries, man. Okay, a little choppy here. Little choppy. Weird how volumes kind of died out, eh? That's kind of the volume's here, but it's not really fluid. It's not moving nicely, you know? We'll see how it goes. Kind of slow, right? Kind of slow, to be honest. Very, very slow going. Snap back. Nice bounce out of here. Whoever took that long, that was a good job. Got bear divs in here now. NASDAQ dumping. SPY dumping. I say dumping, I just mean down, okay? I don't mean it's going to the... Probably come down to the bottom of the orb here. Rolling over. Okay. Bearish divergence playing out. Yeah, that wasn't an easy short up here, guys and gals. Very similar to this one here, right? Chop, 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 and then pop, right? Chop, 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 and then pop. This could still come for 3 drives up in here, right? We could look for 3 drives. That would be even better in my opinion, but probably coming down to the bottom of the orb here. VWAP's right here as well. Bearish divergence. Patience. Patience will prevail as usual. This is very... this here needs to be recovered, in my opinion. So if you are trading for the rest of the day, I'd be very cautious with the longs here. Okay, big wall of poop in our way. You guys, I can't say the S word anymore. It's a swear word. It counts. So if we are going to come back down, I would expect at least coming back into this zone down in here. Not looking too good. Not looking too good. So amazing stream. Friday, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Mods. We made $100. Got away clean. We closed it out. We would have gotten stopped out and for a loss. So that's a good close. Lots of super chats. So we'll split that up. We'll figure it out in our mod chat. It's been a great, great day. Bitcoin's rolling over, but a little bit of a recovery right now. It's going into the weekend. Don't stress. Touch some grass. We're going to send you over to our main trader, the superstar who's been shorting the market like an absolute legend. His name is Brewberry. Go over to his chat. Put a lot of otters in his chat because he's an absolute legend of a trader. He is our Discord trader. He is smart and he has money and he has concepts. Get over there and say Alex O sent me to go and bug you. We're going to send you right over there. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. And I will see the gang later today. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed.